In this video, you'll learn how to edit or change the language on eBay. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to navigate the eBay website in your preferred language, enhancing your shopping experience. Begin by opening the eBay website in your preferred web browser. Once the home page fully loads, scroll down to the bottom of the page. In the footer section, you will find various links and settings related to your account and preferences. Look for the language and region settings located in the footer area. This section is typically labeled clearly, allowing you to locate it without difficulty. These settings control how the content on the eBay website is displayed, including menus and product descriptions. Next, click on the language menu. This menu will provide you with a list of available languages that you can choose from. eBay offers multiple language options that vary based on the region you have selected. Select your preferred language from the list. Once you have made your selection, it is important to confirm your choice. After confirming, look for a refresh option or simply refresh the page manually. The website will now reload and display all content in the language you have chosen. You can change the language setting again at any time by returning to the same footer location. This allows you flexibility in adjusting your browsing experience based on your needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.